The EURUSD gave up some of Friday's gains after being unable to rise above the 20-day simple moving average. It continues to approach an important uptrend line that stands around 1.0960 to 65, with a break lower increasing the likelihood of a slide to the July low at 1.083. On the daily chart, signs are mixed, with momentum with a downward trend hovering around 100, and the relative strength index moving south. Risks look tilted to the downside. On the 4-hour chart, risks are also tilted to the downside, with the price below the 20 SMA and under 1.100. A test of the mentioned trend line seems likely if the price drops below 1.098. A slide under 1.096 should increase the bearish pressure, exposing last week's low at 1.094. Below that, the next target is the 1.090 zone. On the upside, a recovery above 1.104 would improve the outlook for the euro. For the pair to change the short-term bias to bullish, it needs to break above 1.110, surpassing a downtrend line and key SMAs.